So for today's video guys, we're going to talk about IUX market, and this is your trusted online trading platform. And as you can see here, you can experience superior trading with better offers. And later on, I'm going to explain to you some of the things that you need to know if you are new into IUX, and of course, how you can make money as an affiliate or as a partner of IUX for free. So just stay tuned and watch the full video so you can get to know more about this information very soon. Anyway, let's start first on IUX advantages, which is basically they have a mobile app and you can explore up to 250 plus instruments with ultra low zero pips spreads, which means you don't have to worry if you are having too much spreads from the trades, because basically IUX are helping you to maximize your trading experience inside this platform. And also you can also try their free demo, which you can just go directly through their website if you click this button. As I mentioned, there's a lot of trades that you can do in here because they have many products out here, including stocks, indices, and even cryptocurrencies if you're a fan of course. So ranges from currencies, the usual ones, Euro USD, JPY, GBP, from the stocks like the Nasdaq, um, XPX 500, crypto CFD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, commodities, and many, many more. And also on top of it, they also made a lot of eyes out of this one because they won a lot of awards, including the best low spread broker this 2024, and also not just from one platform but also from three platforms, which means they won three different awards from different award platforms that's being mentioned out here, as you can see. And they got more than 4.73 out of 2,251 reviews from Trust Finance. And now let's focus more into the regulations of IUX. So you can see in here that most of the operations are overseen by top international regulatory authorities, which ensures that your trading experience is secure and your financial interests are safeguarded. So some of the regulations or licenses that they have here are from FSCA, which is a Financial Sector Conduct Authority. So this is a regulator from South Africa for the non-banking financial sector. Okay, not also that, they also got an ASIC license from Australian Securities and Investment Commissions. So you can see that this is the license number under 5296110 with registered office 604 level 610 Bridge Street, Sydney, Australia. So as you can see in here guys, they're not just spitting out words out here. They have official licenses and you can even search it online from the registered number that they mentioned out here. And I also double check it. Also guys, if you're trading on IUX Web Trade, IUX App Trade, or even MetaTrader 5, you can also get bonuses upon signing up, and also welcome bonuses. As you can see into their website, you can get up to $30 welcome bonus as long as you fulfill the requirements. So what you just need to do is just create on your account and also put the country of your residence, email, and also your password. And after that, you need to KYC your account because of course that's for the safety as well, and that's to make sure that you are the only owner of that account. So this is for the trader's perspective. Now, I talked earlier about IUX affiliates and how you can make money as an affiliate through their platform. And as you can see in here, you can join a partner program with a trusted online trading provider, and you can earn up to 50% of lifetime commission as long as someone is trading through your link. So what is this meaning for you guys? It means that the moment you help IUX or you help people to be able to trade in IUX, is you can get commissions per every trade that you are always getting. And also, not only that guys, you're not getting scammed out here guys. This is definitely legit because as you can see in here, they are processing daily payouts and also lifetime revenue, as I mentioned earlier, as long as the active clients are remaining trading. And you can earn up to $10,000, as you can see in here. So you have a lot of opportunity, whether you're a blogger, whether you're an influencer, whether you're a someone who has a community of trading. Definitely you can join them out here. And what you just need to do is just click the join us, and also put your email and also your password out here, and don't forget to open an account just in case you don't have it yet. So guys, this is the IUX platform. So once you are actually logged in, you will be in here into the dashboard, wherein you will be able to see how much money you already made. But basically guys, you need IUX account first, as I told you before, and then you need to register in iuxaffiliates.com. And then after that guys, is you need to wait for at least 24 hours because your account are gonna be approved as well. So you can be part of IUX as an introducing broker, and when people actually use your link and they are trading, you are getting rewards out of it, based on the lot type and also what is the size of the trade that they are doing. So that's pretty much it guys. And also for the affiliate, so this is in case of brand new account, so that's why it's zero commissions. And you will be able to see like every single details that you need to know. And then also all of the report history, just in case you wanna check out which one do you think is trading, which one is not. Maybe you're offering signals, maybe you're not. Guys, it's totally up to you. You can see every single transaction here. So it's pretty much like straightforward, I could say. And then also here in the marketing tools, they're giving a lot of like promotional materials which you can use right here, right now, like especially the welcome bonus. If the it's a new client, then they can be eligible to a $30 welcome bonus. And also guys, again, the customer support here is 24/7. And last but not the least is you can also withdraw it via this portion right here. So you just need to check it on the left side of the menu. There's like a dollars logo here. So you can withdraw and then transfer it into your bank account, or even you can even transfer it into your trade account, which you can definitely use to be able to like trade and also maybe make more money. So that's pretty much it guys for affiliates. Again guys, if you are a trader, or you are someone who has a community, or you are looking for some passive income via affiliate program, I really recommend you to check this one out guys. Again, this is entirely free, and please feel free guys to click everything in the links in the description box below, because I will be putting every single link there. So it's gonna be much more easier for you to be able to find like the right link for you guys. And of course, that's pretty much it. Again, this is Crypto Addict in here, back again with new content every single time, and see you guys on the next video.